Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and for the last week my sister Tammy Pally of Blythe Dolls and I have been hosting something that's been a lot of fun, and it is our first virtual Blythe retreat taster. It's just a little taster of what goes on at Virtual Blythe Retreat. Now, for those of you who do not know anything about Virtual Blythe Retreat, we host this once a year. We've done it 3 years now. And basically it is a retreat on a special Facebook page that we create. And we do workshops, and we have a theme, of course. And we play games and post our dolls and dress them up as to whatever the theme is. Like last year, the theme was Under the Sea Party. So they were mermaids and jellyfish princesses. But this retreat, Virtual Blythe Retreat taster that we're doing now for the whole month of September of 2024, the theme is grunge. And so we have had several workshops, 7 altogether, where we have made things for our dolls and dressed them in the grunge fashion. So here are 2 of the dolls that I have dressed in grunge. I have one more, but we're actually getting ready to go on a trip, and she's coming with me, and I've already got her all packed up. And so I'll be taking some pictures of her at a later date. So let me introduce you to these 2. This one right here, some of you actually might recognize. She is You Are For Me. I named her Kira, which means in, I think Kira in Japanese means sparkly and shiny. And that word was actually on her box, and so that's why I named her Kira. But the first workshop we had was this little grunge t-shirt that Tammy taught us how to make, and it was really easy. I'm not a seamstress, and I found it very easy, and I didn't even have to get the sewing machine out. I just did it all by hand, and I've made a couple of these. But I made this out of an old t-shirt. Well, it wasn't an old, actually. Last year at one of our Mardi Gras parades, somebody threw all these t-shirts off of a float, and this one was a 5X, and so I actually cut it up and made a blanket out of it, and I actually have a video coming up about that. But the scraps I used to make this t-shirt. And this little skirt right here, Tammy actually made a couple of these skirts and sent them to me, and so I thought this went really well with that little top. But these are really, really easy to make too. And I did not make her any jewelry, only because she already has earrings. And I just thought she was perfect the way she was. As far as shoes went, I just kept the shoes on that she had with her outfit, with her stock that she came with, and these socks are from her stock too. So I think she looks fabulous just like that. This little girl I've actually named Suki, which in Japanese means moon. And for her, this little dress she has on is the same pattern as this top. I just lengthened it. And I have little slits on the side here. And then the belt is a bracelet that I make these bracelets all the time. I've got them actually in my shop as awareness bracelets. But I did one in a deep turquoise and black. I thought it went really well with her, this other jewelry that I made her quite a while ago. And then I just made her a simple pair of moon and star earrings, mismatched earrings. And these 2 are actually going to be part of a band. Suki is going to be the lead singer, and I believe one of my other dolls, Destin, he's going to be the drummer, and Kira, she's going to be on bass. And the other doll, I haven't figured out what she's going to be, but she will be part of the band too, and they're called the Big Heads. To show you the stockings I made for Suki. Tammy did a workshop on those too, very easy. And let's see, we had a shirt workshop, a skirt workshop, and then a knitted hat workshop, which my other doll has the hat, and stockings. And then the workshops that I hosted were earrings, a necklace, and a little charm pole for the little eye pole that they have. Anyway, it's not too late to join. Just head on over to Blythe Doll Buddies. It's a Facebook group that we have. I'll leave a link down in the description box below so you can just click on it and head over there and join that group. And I'd love to see your dolls all grunged out in their outfits. And for those of you who don't sew, like I said, these are really easy projects to do. And some of the dolls that people have dressed as grunge, when they post the pictures over on our Facebook page, they're actually really, really cute. Everybody has done such a great job. And not all of us are sewers. Some of us are. Some of us are expert sewers, like my sister. But some of us are more like me, beginners. And we've had a lot of fun with this. I want to thank y'all for joining us. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. And we're with Suki and Kira. Bye-bye.